Yes, this is the finance report that I have made. If you want to check it by segment wise, then you can check it like this. And if you want to check it by country wise, then you can see the Canada has the number of sales by product, the sum of profit by year and quarter. In Germany, what is the trend going on in Mexico, in United States, etc. Right? And if you want to check it yearly wise, then you can check the data according to the 2013 and the visuals according to the 2014. You can see here in the area chart as well, you can see the values, and this is the sum of profit by year and quarter. This is sum of sales by product and segment. This is sum of sales by product, and these are the cars that are showing the average profit, sum of sales, maximum units sold, and maximum gross sales.